In this video, I'm going to go over a new feature we've added, which is to give you the ability to have the page or post title be different from the permalink or the URL of the post. And we did this so that people have the option to structure URLs whatever way they want it without being tied to the post. Also, some users were having concern of over-optimization by having the title and the URL be the same thing. So now you're able to do that. So basically, the way it works is if you want to have the title and the URL be the same exact thing, you would just put it on here, build pages like normal. Now, if you want them to be a little bit differently, you would treat this bar up here as this is what's going to be in the URL. So let's say, for example, you just want the city in the URL. You don't want anything else. Just maybe you're doing something where you've set up categories and using categories in the permalink and just some kind of different structure to where you just want the city itself on the URL, nothing else. So you would put city on here, and then you would scroll past the content here, and if you notice, there's a new little area that shows up, the Shaker page SEO settings, and it tells you right here the title. Enter the title of your post page below if you like the title and permalink slug to be different. So this field right here is what's going to be the H1 page post title, and it's going to be different than what you put up above here. This is the URL. So we're going to have city in the URL, and let's say for the H1 we want a more detailed title, so we can just put in this is the title for city, just as an example here. We'll go ahead and save this draft. I'm going to tell it to just build 5 pages and post just for the sake of the example that I'm showing you here. And now if we jump over and take a look at the post, notice that we have city here as the URL, but when we look at the post, we'll notice that it actually shows the title for it. And if we click on it, just any of these, this is the H1 title, this is the title for city is what I set it up as. But if we look up here in the URL part, I've got it set up as the permalinks is just post name right now. Permalinks, yep, I just have it as post name, so it just shows the city, which is what we put. So this one up here is what we put at the very top, and then the H1 here for the actual title for the post is what we put at the box below. So this gives you an option of switching those up, and obviously you can use spin tags here as well if you wanted to switch this up or have a different title. But this is just a new feature we've added so to give you the option of using a different H1 title and a different slug for every post that you build.